Right, we're at the high point. We're gonna take the Warner Point Trail, 1,373 yards. It's 1.5 miles, I think, round trip. It's gonna be the deepest part of the cave, the canyon. There's some trail guide that talk about different points and different story. There's different marker, and you can learn about different people. All right, let's head in. Stina is touching the tree. This is. So these are actually not berries. These are actually pine cone. They're pine cone. So along the trail, there's a lot of trail marker, and then there's a trail guide. You can learn about the story of the plant and the history.
The juniper tree, most of the juniper tree here are like 600 to 800 years old.
Wow.
So they are slow growing trees and able to endure the weather and rough conditions.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you see like the trees kind of turning, that's because they turn, they are being shaped by the wind and storms.
Wow, you can see the whole grassland from here. Where's number 4?
Look closely.
Oh, number 4.
Below.
Yeah?
Tucked into the bottom of the hill right in front of you, it's an open grassy flat.
Yeah.
It's a fire scar slowly on the mid.
It's number 5 already.
Huh?
It's 5.
And then
The juniper tree has a twisted trunk.
yeah.
Is that special?
You can do some around the tree twisted around 360 degrees. The tree reach for the sky.
Yeah, so basically it can change direction. Cool. You learn about juniper tree a lot.
Yeah, like
Eating jerky. Zombie.
no. Sometimes this is a
Sunflower.
that's dessert. What's that dessert called?
Ice cream soft.
No. Churro.
Churro. Number 9 here.
Number 9.
The trail is pretty exposed. Not much shade in this trail, huh? And
A little bit now.
it's up and down as well. So you got a little bit uphill, a little bit downhill.
Yeah. It's still a little breezy.
Yeah, it's not too hot. Got some breeze. Very old tree, 850-year-old. 850-year-old. Old, not as old as other tree in New Orleans. That's 1,000 years old. Tree of life,
True life is like what?
1,000. 2,000. Let's go. Here's a split point. One way is wilderness trail, require permit. And we're going to the photo point. So yeah, we're here. Photo point here. We are at near end of the trail. What is the point called? Warner's Point. We're gonna see Warner's Point. Deepest part of the canyon, right? That's what the ranger told me. The deepest part. How's it look? Wow. Wow, so vast. This is the end?
I think this is here.
The end. Oh. Oh, the deepest part of the canyon. In the trail, we're gonna have some picnic lunch here. Gorgeous view of the canyon here. McDonald's muffin. Here it is, the gorgeous view with Stina inside. It's a river right there. Like mountain on top of the canyon with trees on it.
I honestly like this park better than Grand Canyon.
You like this park more than Grand Canyon? Wow. I'm wearing Grand Canyon t-shirt. And you're wearing Grand Canyon t-shirt. You betray the teacher.
I'm wearing a hat.
It's really pretty. I like it. Very underrated park. Not many people know about it. One of the least visited parks in Colorado. You should definitely check it out.
I like it.
I like it. A lot of viewpoint and lots of like small trail, like a couple hundred yards.
Yeah, it's not hard to hike.
It's fun to hike those, and then you see it very safe. Rims around the overlook, so you don't fall down.
Yeah, and then there's like 2 longer hikes, and I'm sure there's like
There's some
longer
wilderness hike
ones,
too. Yeah, you can
if
hike
you
down,
want to do
hike
them.
down all the way to the bottom of the canyon. Takes about an hour. Yeah, but
Hiking down is not a problem. It's
Yeah.
coming back up.
coming back up is mandatory.
Going down is optional.
Yep. Well, definitely recommend coming to this park. Even though it's out of your way, you should still come. It's just it's worth just coming here.
Yeah.
So pretty. All right. Thanks for watching then. We'll see you guys at the next part. Bye.
Never mind.